Hey gang, it's Victor, here with another chemistry lab fundamentals video. So today we're going to be looking at Bunsen burners and then a couple of paraphernalia that goes along with those pretty commonly at least. So here you can see we have set up, this component here is the actual burner itself, and that's connected with a rubber tube to the outlet here that says gas. It's going to be marked gas, generally going to have a blue cap, but definitely make sure you have it connected to the right one. And that's going to create a seal on both sides. It's going to allow the gas that's ultimately going to allow for our ignition. And then you see we have it sitting on a stand here, and then on the stand we have a ring clamp, and on that we have sat a clay triangle. And then on that triangle, which we use for stability, we're going to put a crucible here. This is going to be something, we'll put a solid reagent in here if we want to heat that up, whether that's to melt it or to cause some kind of chemical reaction to occur, any number of things. So we are going to turn our gas on. Very slowly, you'll hear as it turns on, a bit of a hiss. There you go. And it's important not to just leave that on for too long. It can, over time, fill up the air in a room, but we're going to use a lighter here. You can also use a match, or there are sparkers that you can use, any number of things, but we will set that, and you can see the flame begin. That's up pretty high right now. You can control the height of the flame, both with the measurement for the gas, as well as on the burner itself on the underside. It can control how much the gas flow is. And basically what you're going to want to do is set that flame up underneath the crucible or whatever you're wanting to heat up, and give it a little bit of time. You're going to want to watch very carefully, obviously. Fire is hot, and it can have pretty rapid effects on any sort of reagent or even the containers themselves over time. You're also going to want to be extremely careful handling anything that has been near this flame, as any sort of metal or the clay, really anything can get quite hot in the process of being heated up. Once we're done with it, I have the flame low right now. You're going to want to reach over and turn the gas all the way off. You'll hear a final sort of sputter, and make sure that no more gas is coming through. You're going to give it a second to cool down, double check, make sure you don't burn yourself working with this. But yeah, that's going to be our Bunsen burner demonstration. It's very useful. A good number of your reactions and experiments will require you to use heat to sort of initiate chemical reactions or change the form of a particular substance you're working with. So definitely something, especially something like this that can be potentially dangerous. It's something you're going to want to be well versed in and have some confidence going in to your use of it. So yeah, I think that'll be it, and you all have a great day.